Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over the preliminary setup steps for using Fusion 360. This is part 2 after my video of how to download and install Fusion 360 for free. So today we're just going to go through some of the preferences, some of the different view preferences in the user interface. So we're going to start that off by coming up here to the account, and we're going to click preferences. Okay, and we're going to go through some of these tabs, not all of them. So one of the first things we want to change is pan, zoom, and orbit shortcuts. I'm going to be using SolidWorks, so if you want to follow along with these videos directly, you can do everything exactly like I'm doing it. If you want to change things, that's totally fine. So we're going to do default orbit type. We're going to keep that as free orbit. And then we're going to go down to let's see, graphics. I'm going to do better display, apply. We're going to do, make sure you press apply after everything. And then we're going to do unit and value display. We're going to set that to inches, and we are also going to set it to precision of 4 decimal places. Let's see, scientific notation precision can stay where it is. Foot and inch display format. I am going to, for my personal use, set this to decimal and normal degrees. We can do, leave that as it is there. Everything else should be here, fine. Material unit display. We're going to change this to English, inches, pounds, PSI. I'm going to apply that. Next, you can change some of your units in here, but for the most part, everything else should be totally fine. So we're going to press OK. This is going to be our plane, our XY plane to start. If you click the middle button on your mouse, you can orbit whatever you have on the screen, which is how I'm orbiting this right now. This is that movement where you are orbiting one point. If you hold control and do that, you can pan. So over here are the direct views. You can go directly to top, front, right, any of the edges, the front corner where we are right now, aka isometric. So that's all we're going to be talking about in this video. Next video we'll be talking about our first actual design in Fusion 360. Thanks for watching. Comment with anything you want to see.